Okay guys, we've finally got to our first spot for today. Not exactly the best of weather, but well, you can't pick it. Today we're using the brand new Technetics G2 Plus. And I'm just going to go through some settings with you. Now, that one there, if you can see it, that's our light. So we haven't got our light on at the moment, we don't need that. Our volume is next, we've got it on 10. Our V brake, so we've got 58, so oops, just where those grey notches are there. Okay, our notch width, little marker there, is at 2. And our discrimination is up to 52. So, sorry, that's not right. Our notch is at 52. So just knocking out pull tabs. And our discrimination, 47. So, where we are today is an old river crossing. I'm not going to show you exactly where it is, because that's my secret. And out of here I've pulled lots of coins, army buttons, the Roman coin a couple of years back. So yeah, one of my favourites. So let's get to it. Okay, our first target for the day is that old door knob there. Check him out. That's pretty cool. Okay, our first coin. Okay, first coin is a little tenner. Here he is. Now, what I'm doing this morning is, you can see the incline on this bank here. It ain't exactly easy going. Now I'm doing these hard parts first off this morning, because I reckon no one else has done this yet, and hopefully I'm right. Let's see how we go. Okay guys, just pulled out a nice little button. Now that came up as 83, so we're starting to get on them again. And I'm also making some friends. Hello, duck. What you doing there, ducky? Hey, you gonna say hi, are you? Ah, the stuff you come across, eh? Cool. There we go, guys. Check that out. Little toy battleship. Cool. Cool as. Now, you never know what's going to be in here. Okay, finally our first old coin for the day. I'm going to have fun trying to find the date on that, eh? But hopefully we'll focus in on it. I don't think it will, but it looks like it's a halfpenny from 1916. Here we go, first one, about 4 centimetres down, not very deep at all. Still getting the target in there, so let's dig that out, eh? Even in clay, it's not exactly easy. But hopefully there's another coin there, eh? Right, I'm going to need 2 hands for this one, so I'll be back in a minute. I told you this spot pays off. Now that little hole there came this awesome little button. Check that out. Little military button. That's cool as. Haven't found a military button for a while. There we go. Okay guys, our next target out of the hole. Cool little spoon. Now, I'm detecting an area that's got a lot of old broken glass here. So, hopefully some more goodies come out. Let's go get them.